Yeah, what they talk about now, true life story, something just they happen, we bring us to talk about friends. In life, people know if you talk their stories without friends. When you ask them how they get this job, when you ask them why, how their marriage takes scatter, when you ask them how they take no travel out again, when you ask them how they take make am, how did you become a superstar like this, a musician? You always hear one of my friends, he was my friend, it be like saying life will not go fit do without friends. Some friends, now the reason why some people don't climb up in life, and some friends, now the reason why some people they down where then they friend don't dupe person before, dupe the person, running business down from abroad, then deport and come Nigeria. Also, friend don't enter from Obodo Ibo, come meet in friend, we don't turn to drug addict to rehabilitate them and get on visa, carry them, come out from Nigeria, go change in life. So friends they, good ones they, bad ones they, but me could tell you about what somebody friend do, we bring this topic. So the woman named Yetunde, and she be widow for some time now, and four children where she gets, she dey struggle, she dey plait her for near one gate of one market.
Okay.
They call people come out plait you for inside hot sun under umbrella.
Okay.
She gets a friend will be her best friend. All of them go secondary school. Down to don't marry, but her husband their life get 2 children. So these 2 women be best friends. One a widow with 4 children, one a married woman with 2 children, and the widow they suffer. Now somebody we know them will be member for their church, contact the Yetunde best friend, tell them say they get NGO will come around and they collect some names of women to empower them. The money now 2 million. If you go fit bring all the documents and everything and really proof of evidence to show say this person they in need of help, you understand, to start up something small. So then give her forms, say make you give, your fellow women, submit some, go to the office and submit those forms. If you not feel I'm not gonna submit, the process take about 8 months before it come out. So they give her the form, her best friend fill the form, give them. Now the money come out 8 months later, and then give the best friend 2 million naira to go start her business. So the man will call the best friend, come church one day, come see Yetunde, come ask him, I no see you on the day where they call all the widows and women for empowerment. They present them their check, 2 million. I no see you. Were you around? How far? She said, how far with what? The forms now I give your friend, say Mona share, now Mona come submit from my office, say with a partner with one NGO from Obodo Ibo and they share. He say form, 2 million, empowerment, which day? So the long and short of the story be say these 2 people are best friends, almost 18 years they know each other. She they struggle, they manage, they drag. But when opportunity been come, her friend no tell her. No be saying I want 2 million on I go share. You go get your own. I go get my own. So she's shocked. Go back house, fall down, begin to cry. So some people they will be friends. We no go fit help us. Some people they will be friends. We go fit help us. I don't categorize friends. People get friends, gossip friends. Once gist happen, I get somebody. Yes, I get one friend. Maybe say if he call me for phone, something don't happen. In dangerous. We feel no talk for 1 year, but if my phone ring, either somebody die or somebody want marry or something happen to somebody car get accident, something don't happen. Now if go call, you don't hear the latest, So, yeah. Then I get friend we just be for he lazy, don't be bad person, but they do anything, and if I follow I will not go ever do anything. We will just sit down. Then I get friends we want control me, they like waiting they want do, you understand. That friend say go chop, I don't want go chop, okay, what's all this now, what do you, after you say you're my friend, they like to ride you, even they like to control you. Even who you go marry they want control. Person where they toast you, now them they vex,
like to get say in your life.
Yes, they want position in your life. Why you wearing that kind of trouser? Why do you even wear skirts? I beg, stop that thing. Why? I don't like it. Now your skirts, the hair where you make, they say they don't like her. Why they make it? Why they put makeup? Why they wear earring? Why who is that guy? What are you doing with that guy? How you go get boyfriend? Now another person they control him. So tell your boyfriend go enter your house, she don't go greet her, she go his waka come out. She go they do everything to let them know say
now she they in charge.
So we get those kind of friends. Then we get friends way before Boroboro. Hey, if they call you either money or cloth, shoe or bag or hair, once they land, they enter your wardrobe, they won't carry your blouse, they won't carry your top, yes, or money. Or we get friends will be saying that only when they're in trouble they remember. Hello, Ada, please, can you come to teaching hospital? The one that is at what happened, just confess. He never called you for 3 months ago now, and he call you today. Then we get the motivational ones. Ada, what are you doing now? Where are you? Ada, have you heard about one new course that they're doing? Always wanting the best for you. You get our dream friend where they always ginger us. If we deal with them under 1 month, different places to go submit CV, then they push all manner of friends. And then I also feel say good friend they different. Good friend they different from quality friend. Who be good friend? You feel be my good friend, but you know
not my quality.
Yes,
friend.
you not get quality.
No push, no drive.
Yes, you be very good friend. If you not see me 2 days, you go call me for phone.
Yes.
You go come my house, help me wash clothes, help me cook. But your brain know they carry say, more hustle, more make this money, more do masters, more travel, more start one video, more start company. You not get any drive in life. But you know be bad person. You know they gossip about me. You know they wish me bad. But you just be you're thinking they local, you be local person. No me say you be bad person. So me, I not just there for good friend.
But you not call one friend though. The one if you carry your matter for head.
Hey!
Those ones if you die on top your matter.
Okay.
Those ones.
When we say they gossiping for outside.
When we say you go down contact say, you know so that person cost, you don't want to know that you find trouble.
Yes.
And like person fight, they say let's go. They're ready to fight.
Boyfriend, give you breakfast.
Let's go.
Give me his number. Is it my friend you broke up? You crazy? You understand? That kind of thing. So different kinds of friends there, but today we ask people which kind of friends you get.
True.
Yes, and which kind of friend you be. You don't notice everybody they complain. I don't need friend. I don't have friend. After everything I've done, friends betray me. You will not betray. Everybody say friends betray them. So who be the people who betray person? I used to have friends. So I used to keep friends before. There's nothing I didn't do for them. They now turn around and betray me. If you go judge the matter and I have find trouble, you don't change it.
You don't change them.
So I beg. Today I don't want to hear that story. I have friends. They betray me. You not betray. And if you find better friend, are you a better friend?
True. But this question very legit question.
Because if I be good person, I go like a good person to be my friend.
A very legit question.
Yes, I not call you 2 months. You might not call me, but you judge me. They tell people, do you know up to 2 months now? She can't even check up on me. Did you check up on me?
Like one person will send me message say, you know they check up. I say me, I never check up on myself.
Even me, I never check myself. You understand?
I check up on myself.
So, good friend. Some people get there like 6. Some people don't get them at all. Quality friends, quality friend. I'd rather get 2 quality friends than 27 good friends. Good though, they like me. You know, you never talk of beer parlor friend. Where be say for groove friends.
Oh, I'm better.
Hey, where you there, baby? They happen, man. We'll go on show. Man, hey, my God, have fun now, but we don't gather for you boys balling. If you see the music, don't
and you know, so they see girl friends where we say they like to put you down.
Yes.
They won't be the one where they from.
Yes, they'll be your friend because they won't run you down.
Yeah, they won't run you down.
Use
they
you
just want
shine.
you there or below them at all times.
Yes. You not get, they're not going to share the one with them.
Lie.
Yes, they will just give you small, maybe you feel they follow them. Okay, I'll pay our transport, let's go.
They're not going to ever show you how.
They'll go one expensive boutique, buy. Your own just they follow them, they check them. If they close, fine. Yes, you go hold the letter.
Them.
So today when they ask you, who be your friends? Make we know which kind of friends you get. The number is 0700-951-951-951. Which kind of friends you get? The friends don't bring you up, they don't bring you down. Hello. Good afternoon. Welcome. Welcome. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Welcome.
I always listen to your radio all the time, all day.
Okay.
Aww.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. About the friend issue.
Yes.
I have one friend in my area, Shomodu. That friend is anything that my friend that we know is only to drink.
Okay, now be a part of friend,
Yes. Once you call him to come and work, you say they can't pay him there, they can't pay him salary, they can't do this. But if you work, end of the month you collect like 30,000. He's ready to help you to spend the money until the money finish.
Okay, so this one a part of friend didn't get.
Exactly.
Thank you.
What's up, FM? Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ada baby.
Yes, so blessing, I greet you. Good afternoon.
How are you?
I did fine.
All right. See, Yeah, I don't get the category of this friend where you named. I don't get them before. I don't get those one before, but this time around, that the friends when I get and they're ready to die for my matter. Honestly, and me too are ready to die for their matter because me too I connect them to where something will come to them, where something will enter their account. You understand?
Okay.
As in business way, yes. Especially because of my dad, based on who my dad is, I will collect their businesses. Tell them the first when they work, I'll say this work no go do okay. Do this canteen, and I go post them for my WhatsApp. My dad's friends they ask me how comes. I say that my sister from another mother, and then they get connection through there. Now they can't say when I get now that.
All right, then we're happy for you. You're on the line. What's up, FM Lagos? Who did my radio?
And I do the call
from waiting.
I don't even know.
You don't even know where they come from. Hey God! Oh yeah, now more live where you from, and as you don't know the location. Talk to us.
I get one friend like that.
Okay.
This is primary school. So this friend, to know.
Your voice no clear. Either you are lying down or the thing there for speaker, but we know they hear you well.
They hear me so.
They come out small.
It is better now.
So I get one friend that time. So this my friend, my primary school mate. So too they do well for class. So for exam, if I know right, go right. So it can't be saying anytime we get holiday. Because in brother buy him.
Okay, give us the main point about this friend, because time goes to finish.
Okay, so the friend be say. Now that time when he get something to gain from you, that time
exactly. Once you see their call, once you see them come, so either they get problem or they want collect something from you. Thank you very much. Ada, we go break, but when we come back, we'll talk about how people they choose friend.
Exactly.
Because all this way you go to hear say, my friends there, them betray. You will choose them as friend. People they choose friend because of tribe. For your whole campus, for that your whole class, because she be Igbo.
Because she be Igbo,
you get her speak Igbo, you can't near them. She be Igbo, you can't near them.
Or you like in fashion sense.
Or it's fine. If una they work out together, people go they check una out. Or una be birds of the same feather where they do the same thing.
Together.
So you choose her because she they like paros. She they like come off for nights, go hotel. So you near them because make runs. So when you choose friend for the wrong reason, you understand? Sometimes you know. So you
no,
go,
as you package yourself now.
Yes.
So they go carry you.
That's what the matter be. All right, when they come back, we'll still talk about friends. Who be your friend, and whether you self will be better friend to another person. When they talk about friends, quality of friends, type of friends, and where friends don't carry you or where friends don't bring you down reach. So many people, because of friends, good stories, bad stories, and some go tell you say, but so many people also complaining, say, friend no they help, I don't help them, they nobody help me, now them bring me down after everything when I do for friends. And today we they try to talk say people will not get friends sound like people will get something wrong with them, something not just complete. But for me personally, I believe say with friendship life supposed to be better. Only you know go fit know everything.
At
only
all.
you know go fit connect everything. Dangote friend na or tell like say Dangote's friend. So you can do the mathematics. You can add everything and understand. If Dangote see need to be anybody friend, so you can imagine. I'm not sure say
nobody be island now.
So how only you can have the answer. And anywhere where you don't reach in life, if you say if you don't go past that level, if to say you been get some correct friends around you. Messages they enter, but the messages I know they quick read them because the messages no they short. The person want write 2 paragraphs, 2 pages to explain. Yes. So what's not going to be say if your message they long, I no go read them. If you pass 4 lines, I no go feel read them for here. Chiboi, no be lie. My uncle will carry me come Lagos. Tell me. Koro say him no bring me come Lagos, make me and now come the drag who go get money pass. But now my friend where I meet for Lagos can't help me. Okay, the uncle clear him. So no be so. Yes. Chiboi, if you can call me, let me ask you questions. I don't understand. Make me call you.
Hey, voila. This if you can come, if I don't write your question.
If I write the question
you
here.
can't say if you can call me.
May ask me questions.
Chairman.
That's your question. Your questionnaire. Who wants to be a millionaire? Now me they hot seat now. And now 50-50 anything. I mean, a phone.
Chama, we greet you. You say you can call me.
Chiboi, my brother, Igbo people say one net number. This not true. It get to Igbo, we don't do more than my whole village for me. Chris from UK. Okay, so they try to talk, say true friendship day, connections day, people they help people. Somebody say, I don't get best friend. At the talk of friend, I never they ask you of best friend. So calm down. Some people they jump to
stage by stage.
I say I don't get best friend.
First
the
get
kind
friend.
of friend what I get is the person must have business strategy, smart, encouraging, and must have passed through life experience. Friends like Ajebako, I don't like Ajebota because Ajebota friends, because if you are talking about life, they cannot relate with you.
You
see the problem.
Chiboi, the problem I get with people like this. Not be
novice.
Everybody must pass through suffering stage
to know about suffering.
Not be everybody
and
must suffer for this life.
Where you see, now even get your connect. Now even
for example, now if you be friends with somebody like Copy or $10,
yes,
or what's it, my sister 10 me I be 10 or $10, and you want them to say you know like Ajebo because they don't know it's in life to talk about.
Shebi don't go take picking now Ajebo.
So
to friend them not be good thing.
I beg.
You never know say you need people in this your journey of life.
Not be everybody.
I'm not gonna friend them. I go marry them.
I'm telling you.
See this guy, and from this way you talk, you're gonna say this person is a big judge. See the way they pieces people.
This kind
I don't used to friend this kind of.
You must drop your CV to be in friend.
This one go like George, Secretary Jesus. You go they judge people
local government chairman.
You don't judge. Say Ajabota children, you know they friend them.
Everybody must.
Them man no wife want friend you. They get their rich friends. They get their rich friends. Who are them not even.
You know, say you get some people waiting for this life.
Yes.
They never crossed third mainland bridge to the other side. They know it's in mainland. No be pride.
They suspect
I know one. No be pride. No be saying a pride. The first day where this girl go shodi, she excitement. Oh my God.
They happy.
Oh my God. No be say they burn her for this Lagos. She never. And you know, go tell me if you talk about life, this people know it's in life because they exposed. They feel don't know what is street life they all about, how to maneuver for street.
Yes.
But talk about the exposures of this world.
And who tell
talk
you
about
say,
who is who.
Yeah, who tell you say na street you need to make them. Those people know the physics, they know the chemistry, they know the politics, they go school.
So I know I agree with that person talk.
Are you telling me say not be money be the world?
See wahala.
Say they no get experience. See me see wahala.
I know I agree with you talk. No verse so bros.
I beg, I don't know where they get this your idea from. Now the exposure what would they talk? You need to expose. You need to tear. I mean, they see what they happen. Somebody said to grow for Orile no be joke. I not get any friend where them won't go enjoy. Now sign them go take excuse themselves. But since when I enter America, everybody will want be my friend. Even body if everybody like me now, they laugh and they look them with corner eye. Wow.
Hey, you don't make an.
Okay, somebody say good afternoon. No. Beatrice from Ikoyi. Your message day long. Send me something short to read. Somebody said my wife once asked me last year, say who be my friend? As in a true friend. I think for a while before I realized say them not even plenty. Well, I believe say this friendship no need plenty. I get people who they laugh with. I get people who they laugh with. Hey, how far now? Would they meet for some places? Would they sit down, they hang out, relax more? I'm not sure if I get that level of say best friend today. If you don't see me with them tomorrow like that, But I like to get them all kinds. And immediately you tell me about something what we need to do, vehicle license registration. I begin to think. I get friend where they work for that office. Make a call and make a book appointment. Like that, then they help sometimes.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chuk